Somebody said, "Hey, how's it going? Interested in cybersecurity, but unsure on what area to go in." Right now, if you have zero experience, I would recommend just starting from scratch. Learning, you gotta start where you are. Learn the basics. And one of the ones that I recommend, and I know a lot of my fellow cybersecurity IT professionals crap all over this thing, but one great what place to start. I'm gonna tell you a place to start, and I'm gonna recommend a place that I would do if I were you. All right, so first of all, start from the bottom. That's the A+ certification. Um, some of my fellow cybersecurity professional colleagues on social media are saying this is bad. Don't do it. This is the first certification I took. And by the way, the federal government loves this certification. It's on their approved, the DoD approved list, which is used by much of the federal government. It's a good certification, and it enlightens you on what common body of knowledge that you should have. And once you get it, you can put it on your resume, and it's a good entry level certification. Now, if you're not entry level person, if you're you're already IT, you kind of know what you're doing. You don't need this. You don't need this one. You don't need any of these except for maybe Security Plus, because this one's hot. This one's hot right here. This is worth your time. This one is hot. So what I would do if I was starting off right now, and I knew some IT, I was an IT guy, I would do cloud. And the reason why is because I just had a bunch of resumes. I just had a bunch of I just had a bunch of resumes. I just had a bunch of interviews. I'm actually going for a job right now, and a lot of those guys asked me for cloud. They were asking me cloud questions, and I'm like, I didn't even have anything on my I'm like, what the what? Why are they asking me cloud stuff? I'm a risk management framework guy. I mean, I know some stuff, but like I've not. Anyway, it enlightened me because now I know I have to do some cloud stuff. But anyway, so the one that I would recommend, highly recommend, is this one. Let me show you. AWS Cloud Practitioner. If you are a beginner, this is the one I think this is the one I'm about to take. Next certification I'm gonna get. I was hoping I wouldn't have to take any more certifications for the rest of my life, but I was wrong because I'm going back into the workforce. Unfortunately, I'm not happy about it, but there you go. Anyway, AWS certified cloud practitioner. This is a good one. This is what I would do if I was to get into cybersecurity. I would do this, and then I would specialize in security. As a matter of fact, I believe that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take this one, and then I'm gonna take another higher level, and then I'm gonna specialize in security, because that's what the questions they kept asking me, and this one's making a lot of money. Is AWS beginner friendly? I would say so, but they are requiring you to know some level of IT stuff. So if you know no IT stuff, I would not start here. If you know zero IT, I would not start here. I would start with the A+ certification and go from there. If you are an IT person, if you happen to be a geek, if you happen to already know, yeah, then just dive right in it. You don't have to worry about doing A+ or beginner stuff. The one that's definitely beginner friendly would be the one I first showed you, which is CompTIA A+. That one's very beginner friendly.